Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enter download mode. Samsung's download mode is special boot mode used for flashing firmware, performing system level updates and troubleshooting or repairing device. In order to access it, firstly turn off the tab. And now we have to turn it on by pressing and holding volume up, volume down buttons and simultaneously connecting USB-C cable. And now we are in download mode. Press volume up button to continue. And now you can safely flash new firmware. To exit download mode, you have to press and hold volume down key and side key for more than 7 seconds. The phone will reset. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.